Ventilating a cathedral roof is key to keeping your home comfy and avoiding nasty moisture problems that can wreck your insulation and wood. So, first off, you gotta make sure there's a clear air gap between the roof deck and the insulation. This helps airflow from the bottom eave vents all the way up to the ridge vent. Without that space, moisture just gets trapped and causes mold or rot. Use baffles or foam ventilation channels to keep that gap open, especially if your insulation is tight against the roof deck. Next, install soffit vents at the eaves to let fresh air in, and pair that with a ridge vent or some kind of high vent to let hot, moist air escape at the top. You want a balanced system so air moves properly through the whole cavity. Make sure the vents are sized right for your roof area. Too small won't cut it. Also, keep an eye on sealing around any roof penetrations like chimneys or skylights so you don't get leaks or airflow issues. If you're insulating with spray foam, remember it can block airflow, so you might need different ventilation strategies. Finally, check your local building codes because ventilation requirements can vary depending on where you live. One of the biggest mistakes people make with cathedral roof ventilation is skipping the air gap between insulation and the roof deck. This blocks airflow and traps moisture, so adding baffles is a simple fix. Another common issue is having unbalanced vents, like soffit vents, without a ridge vent, which stops air from moving properly. Adding a properly sized ridge vent usually solves that. A third problem is poor sealing around roof penetrations that lets in water or messes with airflow. Using high-quality flashing and sealants will keep things tight and dry. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors for projects like roof ventilation without all the stress. Contractors also benefit because it connects them with people ready to get work done, making it easier to grow their business.